Hello, future legal professionals. In this session, we will discuss a crucial skill that should be a part of your legal expertise, writing a case brief. Whether preparing to enter law school or just refreshing your essential skills, it is vital to comprehend how to draft a concise and to-the-point brief. Let us now explore why this practice is so important. At its core, a case brief is a concise summary of a court decision, designed not as a submission to a court, but as a study tool. It's your defense in the strict Socratic classrooms, helping you study complex rulings and engage confidently in legal discussions. To understand a case brief structure, we start with the case name, citation, and author. Facts present the dispute's core events. Procedural history tracks the case's court journey. Issues highlight the legal questions, aiming for direct answers. Court holding delivers the court's decision and reasoning. Concurring and dissenting opinions provide varied judicial views. Crafting a case brief is an art form that requires precision and clarity. This segment guides you through preparing a case brief, highlighting the importance of annotating, summarizing, and critically analyzing the case. Beyond a mere academic exercise, writing a case brief has tangible benefits for law students and practitioners alike. From honing critical thinking skills to preparing for Socratic method interrogations, this practice has many advantages. Writing a case brief involves challenges such as identifying legally relevant facts, understanding the court's reasoning and legal principles, and handling concurring and dissenting opinions. Writing case briefs is a key skill in the legal field. As we've seen, a good case brief isn't just for studying. It's an essential part of your toolkit, helping you understand and navigate the complexities of law more effectively. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more successful insights into the legal profession.